Does the employer have to pay Zakat-ul-Fitr on behalf of his workers and servants, or should they pay it for themselves?
Our beloved Prophet said, it's mentioned in the Sahih Hadith of Sunan Bayhaqi, volume number 4, Book of Zakat, Hadith number 7683. The beloved Prophet said, and he ordered, that give Zakat-ul-Fitr for the people who are under your custody, whether young or old, whether free or slave. So all those who are under your custody have to pay Zakat-ul-Fitr. So a slave is under your custody. But the people who are your workers, who you are paying wages, whether they be your servant, whether they be your employee, they aren't fully under your custody. You are paying them wages. If you are paying their wages, if they are working in a factory, working in a shop, working in a house, then you don't have to give Zakat-ul-Fitr on their behalf. They are entitled to give Zakat-ul-Fitr for themselves, or if they have a guardian, they are entitled, but the employer is not liable to give Zakat-ul-Fitr on the employee. A slave is a different thing as compared to servants and people who are working for you in the factory, etc. So you're not liable for those who are working under you as long as they're paying them wages.
Okay, that's very good. Self-explanatory, I think, as well. Alhamdulillah.